Hyundai has revealed details about its next-generation Palisade, which will enter production sooner than initially anticipated. The new Palisade will offer significant improvements over the previous model, with mass production starting earlier than originally planned, starting in December 2024. Hyundai has increased its production target to 210,000 units per year, with the hybrid variant being the most popular. The new Palisade will come with a choice of a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid engine and a 3.5-liter turbo V6, replacing the current diesel and petrol options. In addition, the vehicle will be equipped with the latest technology, including over-the-air updates to key systems such as the suspension, brakes and airbags, as well as Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities. The Palisade will compete with other popular SUVs and will share the stage with the upcoming Ioniq 7 Electric.